Joining us from CommSec is Tom Piotrowski. Tom, we were talking yesterday about the big gains that we've seen in the stock market for the past 6 weeks, and then right on cue overnight we get a bit of a correction.
Kenny, you're spot on with that. There are a couple of factors that have just come to make the air a little bit thinner with the improvement in shares over the course of the last 3 or 4 weeks. We've got a lot of earnings numbers that'll be coming out of corporate America over the back end of this week. In addition to that, what's also happened because of the news being quite good in economic terms is that you've seen a significant grind higher for interest rates, and indeed, as a result, the reduced pricing for rate cuts as far as the period between now and the end of the year is concerned. So I suppose in a very unscientific way, all of those have come to haunt the market this session. As we speak, we've got the S&P 500 down by 0.25%, the Dow down 0.8%, the Nasdaq is flat. I mean, it's important to note that they're just within touching distance of record highs, but the earnings results that come out between now and the end of the week need to be quite good for the market to be able to consolidate. So as far as outcomes last night were concerned, worth pointing out the Boeing shares were up by 5%. This organisation has been in the grips of industrial action for about a month now, and there's some hope that there might be progress made in relation to a pay deal for a Boeing worker. So that's what saw the shares higher as far as today's session was concerned. But generally, the interest rate sensitive parts of the market were marked down. So building stocks, for example, Lennar and DR Horton, who are the biggest home builders in the US, they were down in the order of around 5%. You had interest rate sensitive retail stocks under pressure. Home Depot and Best Buy down by around 3%. So you get a flavour of what's happening. As far as the local picture is concerned today, the futures are pointing to a decline of 0.8%. So we'll be essentially giving back the ground that we made up yesterday. Events today include a CSL Investor Day. There'll be AGMs held from a range of companies, including Transurban and Suncorp. Transurban will additionally be delivering a trading update as well.
Thanks, Tom. We'll talk to you soon.